Hi! Today we will see how to add users and grant permission to use an application. A user is an authenticated individual to access and use the application if given permission. This can be considered as a basic step. Now we will have a deep dive to see how to execute adding a user and granting permission. Firstly, log into the application. From the left side menu, select Settings. In Settings, you can see the access control, from where you can select User. You can see the details of active and inactive users, controllers, and other users who already use the application. From the right upper corner, select Add New User. Fill the entry details like user type, entity type, login type, login entity, and access type from the drop-down list. Fill the contact details of users like username, login ID, contact number, single sign-on link, groups and organizations where they are to be added. Hit on Add and a new user will be added. To make any changes, you can click on the Edit button and update. Here the user profile photo has been updated. The user has been successfully added. The next step is to add permission for user. How to grant user permission. From the left side menu, select Permission from Access Control, where you can see the details of the permission to the existing users. Click on the New Permission button. Now, you as a controller can determine the permissions by entering the username, company, project, application, role, and under which menu they should work. Click on the Add button, so that permission for access will be given to the user. Finally, we have added a user and permitted them to use the application successfully. Thank you for listening to us. Stay tuned with Sterlo for more videos.